Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change screen zoom in our Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for our screen zoom functions? First of all we need to go to settings, then we need to scroll down a little bit until we can see our display options. And in display options we have our screen zoom function. And here we have a few steps that we can change. As you can see at the top we have our example, how it will look like. It is not a slider, as you can see we have just a few set positions, but it's plenty to choose from. So choose whatever you need and like. Go back to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.